Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Sunday 3rd of July. Right now we do have a lot of issues with Bitcoin, so probably we've had some the short and the long squeeze, is this what it's really called? But we are now actually losing the golden ratio, which is going to be the 0.618. So as far as I look at things, this is not a very good sign of things to come ahead. And I've already talked about Bitcoin in previous videos that it's not really amazing if you're going to lose this level. So it was some sort of a descending triangle right there, and then you made a very quick wick to the downside, liquidate liquidate the longs, and then go back up very quickly, liquidate the shorts as well. And right now you can see that yes, you've broken it out, you've lost the trend line, and it's just a retest, and you can see on the 4-hour time frame you've lost it. So the next technical target by default should take you from there to there, and you're looking for Bitcoin to actually drop you all the way down to $18,263. But it doesn't really end there, because this is what I want to talk about. Very, very important topic today regarding Bitcoin. Okay, so what I'm going to say is that you had your bottom right there, and then you had the top right over here. So if you combine both of these things, you're going to find the golden ratio as a this impulsive move to the upside, and now you're looking for the reversal wave to be created. By the end of the day, as long as you're coming down below the 19,152, I've talked about this one in yesterday's video as well, that if you do something like that, then you're going to be creating a reversal wave to come all the way down to $15,427. That's what it is right now. Okay, so that's a technical journey to go all the way down to this level. And as far as you're doing such a thing, it's going to be really hard for me to even say that you're going to move to the upside as well. The next thing that I want to point out is on the Binance chart. So this is Bitcoin opened up on a 3-day time frame. And if I talk about Bitcoin on a 3-day time frame, you're looking for Bitcoin number one to, it came down here and it made a bear flag. If I do show you the technical target out of that bear flag, so from there to there, you actually made the technical target. So you can see it's a little bit pending as well, okay, on a 3-day. I mean, 16,329 is a level that you haven't touched, and it's a technical journey out of a 3-day bear flag. But it doesn't really stop there, because you do have another one, and that's actually this one. Look at that. The bear flag is very clear right over there. As far as I see things, you know what, I'm going to zoom in here and tell you what's going on, because you really broke to the downside. You went for the retest already. You can see you really got rejected here, and now so far you're really looking to drop to the downside, which actually brings me to the point that what is the technical target then? Where are you going to look to drop to the downside? All you do is you take the place from where you came from there to there, and from wherever you're breaking out, place the stick right there. This is where you're looking to actually drop. And that takes you all the way down to $9,200, $9,400, $300, $200 level. But anyway, you're going to see the 9,000 figures based on that bear flag. Now, the only way to invalidate this bear flag is going to be that Bitcoin actually breaks $22,300 to actually move higher. That's how you can actually invalidate. And very quick flash news is that, yes, Bitcoin is looking to drop down there. Bitcoin is also looking to take 17,000. And technically speaking, according to the charts, logical, if you do apply logic into the charts, you never really find this as your bottom. 17,000 is really not your bottom, by the way. Do you understand my point? And 19,000 was also your previous all-time high, which you're actually about to lose as well. Okay, so if we do go back to the all-time high, and I actually want to draw this trend line right here, you are on the verge of actually closing below it. So you can see that this was your all-time high right there, and so far you're now below the all-time high. And on a 3-day chart, you're also closing below the all-time high. So it can even make it hard for Bitcoin to even go above 19,483. Just notice how this next candlestick is below that yellow line. Do you understand that? I mean, just look at it for yourself. I'm just going to remove this one here, and you can see a bearish closing with this candle, and the next candle is pretty much below that yellow line, and it's the previous support that you're losing, and it's turning into resistance, which is right over here as the previous all-time high. So it does tell you that you're looking for a higher, deeper retracement. And yes, the bear flag actually does take you where? To $9,400, $9,300. And that's it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.